It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you're returning subscribers, welcome and thank you for coming back. So into this video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this unit right here, and it's the Outre lace front Atlanta, and I got in the color 1B. Oh, maybe I should have gotten it in that cherry red. Let's see, I might just pick her up. So Atlanta is part of their HD transparent lace, and it comes pre-plucked, parting space, baby hair. I don't care for the baby hair, but it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So let's see what this is. What Atlanta is. Oh, I love the tight curls. Like, I love it. Oh, and I reviewed few of their newer HD lace, and the lace is white. It's white. At least this one is black, so it will be easier for me to blend. But this is the cap construction. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And this is the parting space. As you can see, that lace. Whew. We gonna work with that. And I think the parting space is like 5-inch parting space, which is a nice parting space, which is really nice. Like, I love it. I haven't even tried it on yet, and I like it. I like it. Hopefully I will love it when I put it on. So I'm gonna try it on without cutting the lace so we can see what we're working with. I like this. I like it. So the lace is ear to ear, and this is what the space is, like the hairline, which is, you know, nothing special. That's what it looks like, you know. But this is nice. I love it. I just love how curly it is, and the length too. Okay, let me go cut the lace and I'll be back. So guys, what do you think of Atlanta? This is what she looks like after I have cut the lace and put a little bit of powder in the center so it can look nice. And let me come closer. That parting space, it is just nice. The parting space is awesome. So I got this unit from Elevate Styles for $27.99. I had to look at my little paper to see how much it is, but for $27.99, it looks like I have in some bundles. It's a sew-in. Ooh, with shedding, I'm getting few strands here and there, and I would tell you, she is lightweight. Like, she is lightweight. Like, oh, and I love the length. Like, I'm in love. Like, I'm in love with this unit. She just, like, I'm gonna take a moment of silence for how beautiful Atlanta is. Okay, like, I keep looking at myself in the monitor. I know I shouldn't, but honey, You cannot tell me nothing with this on. Like, Outre, bravo, bravo. Like, I think I'm gonna get another one in that cherry, what is it, cherry, in the cherry red color. I love it. And they got so much pretty color. Maybe I can get in this chocolate stroll. But let me do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around. Yes, so this is Atlanta. As you already know, I love her. There is no, oh, head's itching. There's no cons for me. Like, it's all pros. The price is good for the quality and the price. For $27, $28, you can't go wrong. Like, you definitely cannot go wrong. I love it. I love it. So if you're new to this channel, how about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And let me know what you think of Atlanta in the comment section. Until next time, bye.
It's a bad man.